Hello family, friends, bushcraft buddies, truck driving buddies. I'm back in the truck again, getting ready to cook me a meal. But the first thing I want to show you, the most important thing, I got my Patriots comforter on my bed, getting ready for this Sunday. That's the most important thing that you all should know. Got my DeLonghi air fryer. Gonna make some fried chicken, some vegetables, some mashed potatoes, and probably a dessert depending on what I got in here. We'll be back with you when we start cooking. Hey, here's what we're gonna have. Fried chicken. Got it in there, got it floured, got salt and pepper in there with it. Gonna have corn, peas, and a lemon pudding cup, along with probably a Diet Coke, and I'll be ready to go to bed. So let's turn on the bottom. Got to turn on my inverter first. There we go. Turn on the bottom. Close it down. Turn the top up to 4. I'll be back with you here in about 25 minutes when I check on it. Okay, here we go. Turn this off, open it up. Here's what it's looking like after 25 minutes. I'm going to turn it over. Got my Sea to Summit fork here. Titanium fork. I'm going to turn that over. Actually, I should have probably turned it back over. Got me some cooking spray. I'm doing this with without my tripod right now because it's just so hard to try to use a tripod with the table set up the way it is. Flip it back over. Put a little more spray on it. Close her up. Turn it on. Go a little while longer. I'll be back with you when it's done. Okay, everybody. Time for the big check here. I like this here Sea to Summit knife, fork, and spoon. Works out real good here in the truck. Get this stuff shut off. This is cooked a total of 40 minutes, and the reason for that is it was in the freezer this morning, and I took it out of the freezer and put it in my cooler. And it was still a little bit froze when I went to take it out to cook it. But that is all the way done. I mean, it's done. Juicy, good. Let me get the camera turned around, get the air fryer out of the way. We'll sit down and show you what it's like. Well, I know some of you probably wonder, how's he going to heat those little plastic cups up that he's got them vegetables in? I was going to make me some smashed potatoes, but I don't have any with me. I thought I did. I run out. Well, how do you heat them up at home when they're in a little plastic cup like that? I'm going to peel this back a little bit, give it a little bit of air. Let a little steam come out. I have to clean that up. I just made a mess. Same thing over here. Give it a little air. Let a little steam come out. And just like you at home, I have a microwave. Reach in here and grab the cord. plug it into my inverter. I got an inverter in the truck that runs 110 just like you guys do at home. Stick it in the microwave for a couple minutes. That's how I do it out on the road. Between my grill and my, you're probably getting tired of looking at that. Between my grill and my microwave, my DeLonghi, my George Foreman grill, I got a little 12 volt, what they call lunchbox cooker. I got a rice cooker. Between all that, I can just about do anything in the truck. We'll be back when it comes time for the taste test. Okay, everybody, it's time for that magic moment. Got my corn and my peas. Got my Diet Coke. Let's try this chicken out. Everybody knows how the peas and the corn come out in the microwave, but you know, let's give her a shot here. First off, you need to see that chicken is done all the way through. No problems whatsoever. I don't need that big of a bite and try to talk. I make that mistake every now and then. Here we go. That's juicy. It's good. Nothing wrong with a DeLonghi air fryer in the truck. Got me a full meal, except for my smashed potatoes, because I forgot them. Forgot that I was out of them. But I do them the same way. I get the smashed potatoes. It's in the little cups. It's made for the microwave. You put the water in there. They're real red bud mashed potatoes by Idaho. Mix them up, put them in the microwave for about 60 seconds, and you got smashed potatoes. Until the next video, God bless. We'll see you again. Bye-bye.